Hello guys, I'm Juno. And for the people entering MBBS in this year in 2025, first of all, congrats. It's a huge deal. And probably for the last 2 years, you've been studying from PW or any amount of years that you've taken. It's all fine. And after like purchasing PW Medit, because it's like relatively cheaper than its competitors, we have found out that it does not really work on a desktop or PC platform. The videos don't play here. So there's a very simple fix to this, so you can just not strain your eyes on your iPhone or Android phone and watch it on a PC. That's just open a new window, search this BlueStacks app, and just download BlueStacks from here. And when you download it, it'll look like this. So just open it. And what it does is it emulates an Android platform on your laptop or PC, anything, in a desktop format. Like they have desktop mode in Android kind of thing. So just search here. It's a bit buggy, but if you click like on the downer side of the search bar, it works easily. That's just a tip too. Just search PW Method and download the app from here and just click launch. I've already downloaded it here, and this is not a shortcut. This is like a desktop shortcut, but it's not like of the web version. I just click it and show you. Just 1 second. So the completely working app version has opened, and here you can get all the required videos and stuff. Nothing is an issue here.
पहले ये देख लो गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू शाबाश in your exam paper it will be Hindi and English mixed, don't worry. Okay, so what happens now? You have to write answers, short answer questions.
So everything works here. Just if you haven't configured your like keyboard with the app yet, so you have to use your trackpad or a mouse. It's just very simple. So that's one thing that does not work. Probably work. I just don't know yet. So that's how you can watch the lectures on laptop. Hope I have contributed something to your life. If you found it useful, just share it to your other friends who need it. And thank you.